Hello, I'm Emily with AQS. Today, we're going to be making this arrow block from the Anything Goes quilt. You can get the kit at shopaqs.com. It's a really fun quilt for using up your scraps or showcasing your favorite prints. Let's take a look at it. The kit makes a quilt that's 54 inches by 67 inches. It includes American-made brand solids and some really beautiful cave prints. The arrow block uses 2 units. Let's start making the first unit. I start by marking this white square on the diagonal corner to corner. Once you have the white square marked, you can take your print fabric. It's a rectangle that you're going to have the long side along the top and the short side along the side. Right sides together, you're going to layer your white fabric and your print, and we're going to sew across that line. Now we're going to sew corner to corner. Bring it over here to trim. I'm trimming 1/4 inch to the side of my sew line. Once it's trimmed, take it over to the ironing board. I'm going to press the corner out. And a little press. I repeat that on the other side, and I have my first unit done. The second unit in this block is actually a flying geese unit. To make a flying geese unit, we're going to take a printed fabric and draw a diagonal line from corner to corner. Once you have the square marked, layer right sides together with a white rectangle. Get it all lined up and sew. Take it over to the cutting board and trim 1/4 inch from your sew line. Take it over to the ironing board and press the corner out. Repeat this on the other side to make your flying geese unit. Once you have both your units, lay them out, making sure you have both arrows pointing the same direction. Layer them right sides together. Get it all lined up perfectly. And now whenever I go to sew, I want to watch and be really careful that I sew right above that little intersection so I have a crisp point whenever I flip it open. Before I press, I want to check and make sure I got a crisp point right there, and I did. So I'm ready to press the block. I'm going to take and I'm going to press towards the print. And voila, we've made the arrow block. For this kit and more, check out shopaqs.com. Thanks for watching.